Hello everyone, my name is Priyarani and I am pursuing PGDM from PIBM Pune. I have done my summer internship from Glabzenics as an equity associate intern. During my internship, I have been provided with a research analyst course from the analytic platform inSAKE Intelligence Solution, that is a corporate partner of the company Glabzenics. In fact, inSAKE Intelligence Solution is an educational technology company with a mission to enhance skills for students and provide analytical and recruiting solutions to corporates and upskill them. Through this course by inSAKE, I learned stock market analysis, portfolio management, fundamental analysis, technical analysis and different techniques, financial statement analysis, ratio analysis, security analysis, stocks, bond interpretation, mutual funds, interpretation of different types of mutual funds, investment banking concepts, MS Excel, etc. After completing the course, I was able to complete my research report, that is equity research report, for the company belonging to auto ancillary sector. I wish to express my sincere gratitude to the company Glabzenics and inSAKE Intelligence Solution for providing me the opportunity to do my internship in a very effective and efficient manner. And I am extremely indebted to Mr. Sandeep Sethi sir, the founder of inSAKE Intelligence Solution, for providing me the active support and guidance throughout this journey. Thank you.